Here, we are using our precise 3 flames to get the ball to exactly 1000 degrees. When it turns orange, that means the ball is 1000 degrees. That's what they taught you in public school. Our first science experiment is proving that size doesn't matter. Look at how easily that little ball defeated that big ball. My fellow small ballers, we have a chance. Alright, look it up.
It's like magic.
Bro, that's really great.
Want to bring this stuff in?
Yeah, styrofoam's back. Don't burn styrofoam. Next, we took the 1000-degree ball and tried to forge a flute to play a song for the gods. Will PewDiePie hear our cries?
2, 1.
Very few people know this, but it's actually a scientific fact that SpaghettiOs scream when they feel threatened. Next, we wanted to make sure the ball was using good hygiene because it's very important to brush your balls. Do you brush your balls?
I brush my balls daily.
I like to brush my right ball. In this next clip, we attacked the onions with all 3 1000-degree items, but little did we know that Shrek's warning was actually crucial.
Layers! Onions have layers.
These are onions like in Henderson?
I guess so.
Alright, well this was a terrible idea. Next item, we decided to test which 1000-degree object is better at cutting a watermelon. The 1000-degree knife started quick, but could barely make it through. The 1000-degree sword couldn't even make it through the watermelon skin. The 1000-degree ball is clearly the winner. I mean, not only did it go through the skin, but it also made boiling hot watermelon soup, which clearly the 1000-degree king enjoys.
Third.
Next, we wanted to see what would happen if we cut an already cut pizza with a 1000-degree sword. And you guys won't believe what happened! After cutting the pizza, we decided to see what would happen if we cut a pizza with a 1000-degree pizza.
The prophecy is true.
Global warming is not a myth. This ball represents the sun, and this ice cream is clearly the polar ice cap's wake-up sheep. This 1000-degree sword represents all your CO2 emissions. Just look at how much you're damaging the polar ice caps. Stop with the axe spray.
See what you're doing. Yeah, dude.
And finally, this 1000-degree knife represents your carbon footprint carving into the earth.
Lame. Alright, let's get some cool stuff.
Burning all these objects clearly made the 1000-degree knife and ball very dry. So we had a 1000-degree a bottle of moisturizer to hydrate them. 1000-degree metal skin matters too. You guys obviously know the world is flat, but for some reason the government keeps telling us it's round. And that's because they're trying to keep globe sales highs, because globe manufacturing actually makes up 84% of the Earth's economy. But screw that, I don't care if 84% of the Earth's money goes to making round Earths, we're gonna prove to the world it's flat. Now kids, make sure you always wear protection during your naughty times. Even 1000-degree swords need to be careful. That's swordist. Why don't they make fireproof condoms for 1000-degree swords?
Fireproof condoms.
We wanted to test an experiment and see if we poured hot sauce on our 1000-degree ball, would it make it hotter? Because, you know, it's hot sauce, so it should make it hotter.
I don't think that's how that works.
That is how it works! Here, we wanted to use a 1000-degree knife on a sandwich. Wait, that's a hot dog. No, it's a sandwich. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be between me and you, Chris.
It is.
Next, we decided to torch... What is this?
This is an alien egg.
You know what that looks like to me?
After we penetrated the alien egg, we dropped our hot bomb in its egg. When you're like me, you go through a lot of microwaves. And sometimes, you just don't have one laying around. So you decide to use a 1000-degree ball to pop some popcorn.
Oh.
Let's see how it tastes.
Let's try our popcorn out.
not good.
The toilet paper on the right is when you use toilet paper on a normal day. The toilet paper on the left is after you eat Taco Bell. As you guys know, I still don't have a microwave, so I wanted to test and see which is better at cooking a Pop-Tart, a 1,000-degree ball or a knife. The results might shock you. Have you ever wondered what a 1,000-degree knife does to an egg? Well, the results are excellent.
It's like cooking it, but that's crazy.
It like doesn't want to stick to it.
Don't you hate it when you try to put butter on your toast and it won't spread because it's just too cold? Drop a 1,000-degree ball on it, and then it's easier to spread. As you can see, since PewDiePie is clearly a god, even his picture cannot be harmed by a 1,000-degree ball. This test basically proves he's immortal. Next, we're gonna see how my channel holds up against a 1,000-degree sword.
It's no uploads for 2 weeks. Ah! Oh look, no! Ah, it's demonetization.
Half a month since we donated to a Twitch streamer.
Ah! Now for the pinnacle. Here's for being a PewDiePie clone.
It hurts.
Ah!
The truth hurts.
Oh no, somebody just called you a leafy clone. Ah! Ah! It hurts even worse.
Everyone knows the standard unit of measurement is pizza boxes, not your stupid metric systems. So we wanted to see how many pizza boxes a 1,000-degree ball could go through.
Oh, there it goes. Watch it, watch it. There it goes. Ah!
This one was a side boy.
Whatever it takes, man.
Whatever it takes. Dude, we're throwing ashes everywhere. Who cares? It went through 4 boxes. This is the strongest substance ever made. It's stronger than obsidian from Minecraft. Darn. So you're telling me that can break obsidian?
Guess so.
Why doesn't Minecraft have sword? Oh, they do. Wait, what?
Whoa, that was magic. Oh.
I'm so confused. How? Watch it back. Play that back. Wait, what?
Whoa.
We also wanted to see how well a 1,000-degree ball could play Fortnite. And it turns out that 1,000-degree balls are actually better than Ninja. Why don't all guys just play with their balls?
Hello! Did you draw a smiley face?
Yeah. I wanted to take revenge on a pool because a pool almost made me sick in one of my recent videos. Chris wanted to do a joke about cutting his nuts, so here you go. Chris is cutting his nuts. Chris has no nuts confirmed. Next, we wanted to try to cook cookies with a 1,000-degree knife because I'm sick of people baking cookies. You're supposed to cook them. It's literally in the name. Cookies.
The Viking has a 1,000-degree sword and is going to attempt to slice the car in half. This is a dumb idea.
You ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Dude, Jake is so strong.
I see some smoke. Don't stab me.
Next, we're gonna attempt the 1,000-degree saw versus car. And calm down there, save it for the car. We definitely didn't cut a hole using the saw in the car, so now cut it with your 1,000-degree sword. What the heck? Dude, just put it in the hole we already made. Jeez. Jesus. He literally just took the sword and just cut the car in half.
It's because he's a Viking.
What a mad lad. How'd you do that, Jay?
Wow, I just stabbed it.
Now, what you're looking at right now is us doing the thumbnail. Obviously, as you saw earlier, we cut the car in half, so now we're just trying to get a cool thumbnail. Like, look at that pose. That one. Oh, that's a good pose. Ooh, I really like that one.
That one's my favorite.
Is it?
I'm so shocked and sad. I can't believe someone would do this. Leave a like if you are depressed.